Okay, so let's begin. We are looking at the frustum of the pyramid. Last time we looked at the frustum of the cone. Okay?
Yes.
So now we have a pyramid here, and we are specifically discussing what? Volume. How to find the volume. So it's very simple. Very, very simple. So the formula is volume V is equal to H over 6, open bracket, area 1, plus 4 multiplied by area 2, plus area 3. Okay. Now, they are in two parts. We have one whose base is a square. You understand? Yes. Whose base is a square, meaning the way this one is, this side is also 10 centimeters. Even this side is 10 centimeters. So the top part here is a square. Even the bottom part is also a square. So meaning that this is also 4 centimeters. Even the other side is 4 centimeters. Are we together?
Yes.
So now, the first thing we're going to do is find area 1. This area 1. So how do we find area 1? We get the top part, this one. Okay, so we say area 1. So now, since it's a square, area of a square is given by what? Area of a square is given by L squared. Are we together?
Yes.
Which is what? L, which means the length. So for the top part, it's what? 10 squared, which gives us what? What's 10 squared?
100.
It gives us 100. We are together?
Yes.
So we are done with area 1. This is area 1. We are done with area 1. Are we together?
Yes.
We go to area 2. Now, with area 2, we have to do an average. So, there is another square here in the middle. If you join like that, there's another square in the middle, like that. So now, what we do is to find the length of this middle part, we use average. So, we get 10 per 1 data, then we add 4 lipans, and then we do by 2 to get the average. Is it okay? Yes. Yeah, so we just get this distance here, this one corresponds to this. So we add them, then divide by 2. You get it? So we say, we are talking about area 2 now here. So we say length, first of all, is going to be 10 plus the distance here, which is 4. Yes. Then we divide this by 2. What's the answer?
7.
7. Perfect. So, length of area 2 is 7. So now you do area 2 is equal to L squared, which is equal to 7 squared, which is equal to how much?
49.
49, because it's 7 squared. 49, huh? So we are done with area 2. Okay?
Yes.
We now go to area 3. Area 3, this is area 2, let me indicate. Okay. So area 3 is straightforward. It's just L squared. It's the area for the bottom, the rectangle, the square for the bottom. Which is going to be what? Which is going to be 4 squared. You are right. 4 squared equals what? 16. Perfect. Now the only job now to find volume is get these and fuse them in the formula. Are we okay?
Yes.
So we have V is equal to height. What's the height of this thing? 9 centimeters. So you do 9 divided by 6, open bracket, area 1, 100. So you do 100 plus 4 multiplied by area 2. Area 2 is what? Area 2 is 49. It's this one. So 4 by 49. Plus area 3. What's the value of area 3? 16. Now, let's do this. You are holding your calculator. Do 4 by 49. Okay? Let's compare. You do 4 by 49, you compare with what the math has gotten. So 4 by 49 gives you?
196.
One what?
196.
196. 196 plus 16.
212.
212 plus 100. 3 what? 12. So you have 9 over 6. Or let's do this. You have 3 12, right?
Yes.
Now you divide 9 by 6. 9 divided by 6 gives you what? 1.5. Okay, so now you are multiplying 1.5 by 312.
468.
4 what?
68.
468 centimeter
Yes.
cubed. This is the volume. Is that what you got, Martha?
No, sir.
Uh-huh.
Yes, I got 4, but 69. Because 48 076, whatever. I punched
It's
everything.
this.
Yes.
It's
Okay. Yeah, when you do everything together, sometimes you may miss a step and you get a different value. Okay. Let's move on. Is this clear?
Yes.
It is. Okay, let's come to this one. Now, this one is a bit different from the first one.
Yes.
The only difference is that it's not a square. This is not a square. Like, as you have seen, this is length L. This is a rectangle.
Yes.
This is a rectangular base. This one has a rectangular base. So on top here we have, this is what? 8 by 4. Down here you can tell you are 14 by 10. So now we are going to say area 1. Here now we are dealing with a rectangle. And area of a rectangle is LB.
Yes.
Are we together? So area 1 will be what? 8 by 4. What's the answer? 32. Okay? Then area 2, we have to do the average. Length average, we add. So this is 8. So even the opposite side is equally what? 8 centimeters. So we do the average. You add this and this, divide by 2, because we are looking at finding the distance here in the middle, this one. The rectangle in the middle. So you do 8 plus 14. Then divide by 2. So, which gives you what?
11.
So when you do 8 plus 14, you're actually getting what? 22. Then divide by that by 2. 11. So our length is 11.
Yes.
Then we do the same for British. So the way this is 4, this is also 4. So you are adding this plus this, what you can find this British. Are we together?
Yes.
So this British is 4 plus what? Plus 10. And then you divide it by 2. Okay, so you have, this is 4 plus 10, divide this by 2, it's giving us what? 7. Therefore, area 2 is equal to LB as well, which is what? 11 by what? 7. This gives us what? 77. That's our area what? 2. Then area 3 is straightforward. It's just the area for the base here. So area 3 is equal to LB, which is equal to 10 by what? 14. What are we getting? 1 what? It's 10 by 14. Or 14 by 10. It's giving us 140. Are we together? To now find volume, what do? We say V is equal to H over 6, open bracket A1 plus 4 area 2 plus area what? 3. What's the height?
11.
I didn't put here, was it?
11.
It was 11.5, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 11.5. So that's the height of this whole frustum, 11.5. So you have 11.5 over 6, open, area 1. You remember area 1? It's what? No, area 1 is 32, it's this one. With L by B, it's 32. So 11 is the average we're doing, the average length for area what? Area 2. So it's 32 plus 4 times area 2. What's area 2? 77. So 4 by 77 plus what? Area 3, which is it? 140. So you have 140 here. Okay. So how do we simplify this one now? We're running out of space. So 4 by 77. 4 by 77 is giving us how much? 308. Plus 140?
448.
448 plus 32?
480.
Okay, so you have 480 like this. Then divide 11.5 by 6. 11.5 by 6. 1.91. 1. Okay, so multiply this 1.91 by 480. What answer are we getting? What value are we getting? Why are you quiet? Your calculators have stopped working. 1.9, we get what? 1.91 by 480, you're getting what? 9 what? Or it's a figure that is tricky to measure.
Yes, 916.
9
116.8.
like this. Point 0.8. Perfect. This is what? Centimeter cubic. It's not mathematics. Centimeter cubic. Any question? Clear? Very easy. Thank you.